Are you searching for a daily routine to center your mind and body? Perhaps you need tools to replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts. Then join me on a journey of finding your inner peace. My name is Heidi, and I am a mindset coach and creator of Rise, Love, Live, where I inspire you to rise to the occasion, love everyone, and live a life worth living. It has taken me many rounds of trial and error, and over time, I have come to appreciate the importance of a self-love and self-care routine. On my channel, I will be sharing practices such as affirmations, journaling, manifestation, and visualization each week on Thursdays. Here, you'll have a safe environment full of encouragement, enlightenment, and tools for growth and transformation. If this sounds anything like you, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I drop a new video. I am super excited to navigate this journey with you. Until next time, peace and blessings.